Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me for today's snapshot. Today we're going to be looking at gold, specifically its weakness and how it is dependent on yields trajectory. But before we take a look at that, please take note of the following important information. Please note that CFDs are a high-risk product and that you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also, please note that this is a general market commentary only and does not constitute investment advice. And finally, these are our sources of information. Okay, thank you very much for that. Now, gold is trending down, and one of the reasons for this is that the increasing yields have made gold less attractive as an asset. Let's just bring up the chart, and what we have here in the top chart is gold. You can see that in terms of the Ichimoku, is trading below its cloud. The forward cloud is in fact negative. We've got the lagging line below price, that's indicative of a negative momentum, and we've got this black baseline trending down. I want to point out that gold really started falling on the 9th of October. That was when Pfizer came out with the announcement that it had a vaccine. And I think money started moving out of the safe haven quite aggressively since then. But if you take a look at how gold has behaved since the start of the year, and as the yields started increasing, so the second chart that we have here is the US 10-year. And starting from January, you can see that the yields kick up quite significantly, and at the same time the price of gold comes down. This bottom chart here shows the correlation coefficient, and the correlation coefficient now is quite strong in terms of being an inverse correlation. So we have a reading there of minus 0.78. Let's just go back to some key takeaways. Yields are influencing the precious metal. If the correlation coefficient holds, then any moderation in yields is likely to be positive for gold. If you found this snapshot useful, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.